Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at a nice retro Norwich City Home Shirt, and this one was from the 92 to 94 season. And this shirt was purchased from DHGate.com. All information for the seller will be in the description of this video. Now I do really like the design of this shirt. I think it's a proper good retro and it just looks absolutely fantastic. So yeah, really excited to get this one out of the bag and to take a deep dive look at it. The manufacturer is actually Referral as well, which we don't see nowadays at all. So the shirt comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side it does have the usual health warnings. So if you are new around here, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions or anything like that, please leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But this is the Norwich City Home Shirt from the 92 to 94 season, purchased from GAKits.com. All the information for the seller in the description of the video, along with a DHGate link to my usual recommended seller. So what we'll do now is we'll open the bag and take a look at this Norwich City Home Shirt. Okay, we'll start with the front of the shirt, and we have a proper collar. Proper collars are always a winner for me. And we got two, I assume there's two buttons. Yeah, the second one hidden away under there. I really do like the collar. I'm just going to zoom out actually just to appreciate the really impressive design of this shirt. The Referral is into the material, so no concerns with that coming off. And the material has actually got like a really sort of shiny texture to it. The Norwich City badge is embroidered on, and that looks really good. I think it's a little bit wonky, but yeah, as badges go, I think that looks fantastic. Moving around to under the arms, the stitching all looks good. And on that side as well, one loose cotton there, but nothing to really worry about. Being a retro shirt, I expect this to have a few blemishes, but to be honest with you, so far we are looking spot on. So there's the front of the shirt. Let's take a look at the back of the shirt. I don't imagine there's going to be a great deal to look at on there because it's just a plain design. No names, no numbers, just a plain shirt. So yeah, let's flip it around now and take a look at the other side. And there we go, exactly that. Nothing really to show you on the back of this one at all. Probably going to be quite a short video. Looking under the collar there, absolutely fine. No collar padding or anything at all. There is a crease from where the shirt's been in the bag, but once the shirt's been worn, that will soon disappear. I was just checking there actually whether it's because I think where the shirt has been in the bag, the emblem there, the Norwich crest, is right near that crease, although the crease does go down the back. So it is where the shirt's been in the bag and it's been pushed in the delivery. But yeah, not too much else to show you on this one. The hemline stitching looks absolutely perfect. Join looks really strong. No names, no numbers, just a plain back for you to see. Let's take a look at the inside of this shirt now. I think it's going to be equally as good, to be fair. And we're now on the inside of the shirt, and there is our collar line, which again, looks absolutely spot on. Moving down to where the buttons are, stitching on that looks nice and strong. We've got the Referral there, as I mentioned earlier. It's printed into the material, so no concerns whatsoever. And gotta say, that badge there is probably one of the best stitched on badges that I've seen. The join is absolutely perfect. Really nice design. Stitching looks nice and strong down there as well. Moving to the bottom where the hemline is, moving along the hemline. You know, the cut is even pretty sharp on this one as well, which means all in all, this is a really good replica. You're going to struggle getting a retro shirt of this era with this quality now. So yeah, definitely one to look out for. But there's the first part of the inside of the shirt. Let's take a look at the final side now. And here is the final part of the inside of the shirt. There's the Referral tag, size XL, and we have a sports performance tag as well. Inside just has the usual bits of information around the product. There's no washing instructions on this retro shirt, but the recommendation when washing them is to do as the shirt is now and have it inside out. When you come to dry, just let them hang dry. Never put them in a tumble dryer. This one doesn't have any vinyl or anything on there which could peel off, but I still wouldn't want to risk putting it in a tumble dryer in case the shirt shrinks or you ruin it. For me, it's always wash them and let them hang dry. If we zoom up a little bit and push in, there you can just about make out the Norwich crest. The shirt though itself is not overly see-through. I really am forcing that through. So there is the final part of this Norwich City Home Shirt. And there we have our Norwich City Home Shirt for the 92-94 season. And this shirt was purchased from DHGate.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I think this is a really nice retro shirt. The design is something you don't see these days. This was definitely the sort of style that you had in the early 90s. And I think really teams should bring back stuff like this. I'm bored of these sort of template shirts now where all the ones look the same. Adidas bring out the new shirts, they've all got the large stripes on them. This then, back in the 90s, each shirt was different. It had a bit of character. You knew what team it was. If you've enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The seller of this one was GAKits.com. All the information in the description of the video. I'll also leave a DHGate link for the seller that I recommend. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think to this one. Do you like these sort of retros or do you like the templates? Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.